Hi friends, welcome to my channel Crochet Best. I hope you all my friend is well. I am also well. In this video I will show you the beautiful washroom curtains. These curtains are very colorful and unique designs. I hope you like this video and enjoy this video. These bathroom curtains will give your washrooms a very beautiful look. I hope may of you will use willing curtain in your washroom after watching this video. My all efforts are for you all friends, especially Croatian businesswomen and men, and all my friends who are Croatian lover. Your appreciation and support and comments, it's very important for me. I'm very happy to read your comments. All my friends can benefit from this video of them. All those friends who are interested in Croatian work can choose colors and designs by watching this video. This video helped them a lot, and my friends who are doing Croatian business can also benefit from it. I'm trying to good videos for you. I need your help and appreciation and support. If you like the video, please give me your opinion. Let me know and like my videos, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Bye. Take care.